How's it going, everybody? My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent, and today we are at this amazing property. As you can see, standing in this beautiful backyard. I feel like I'm in Mexico. I just need a little margarita to sip on. This is an amazing property, like I mentioned, right in Frisco, Texas, sitting right under $1.4 million. It is a 5-bedroom, 6-bath, and it is sitting at 4,252 square feet. This is a beautiful home, such a modern style with amazing backyard, especially if you're going to be hosting parties. This one you guys are going to love. So without keeping you guys waiting any longer, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So now that we got to check out the beautiful home, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. This is just gorgeous. Let's take one last look here. Beautiful, secluded backyard. You have so much space to host parties, hang out with the family out here. So let's see what things there are to do around the area here in Frisco. You guys are located in one of the best and well-known neighborhoods in Frisco, otherwise known as the Grove. So already that's going to be an amazing start to this. So let's just hop back to the studio and check everything out. Let's go.
How's it going, everybody? Now that we're back in the studio, let's hop on the computer and check out what there is to do around the area. So the first thing that we're going to look at, I'm sure you guys are already catching up, and if you watch some of the other videos, the first thing we look at is gyms. So over here in the blue is where the house is located. Now, we do have a few gyms in the area. So we have the Anytime Fitness 9 minutes away. You have a nice Planet Fitness 11 minutes away, another Anytime Fitness. You have an Orange Theory, so that's going to be more of your group classes. And lastly, we'll hit these last two. LA Fitness 6 minutes from the house, and it looks like more of a CrossFit type gym would be about 13 minutes from the house. So all in all, really good locations. You're surrounded by gyms, so clearly if you are a gym rat, this is going to be a good property for you. So now let's go ahead and check out grocery stores. So again, looks like you're going to be in a really good spot. So you have all these 3 minutes away, which is, I'd say, like a grocery store. If you've never been, it's going to be stuff that's priced really well, but it's still some name brand stuff, and then some, I guess you could call them not name brand, but it's still a good option. Right down the street, you have Kroger Marketplace 7 minutes away. You have an Indian grocery store 7 minutes away as well, and then you have these few other ones down here, and then one of my favorites actually is Sprouts 13 minutes away. So all in all, a really good location. Lastly, let me hit this one for all the moms out there. 7 minutes away from Target. Tell your hubby this is the house you want. Let's go see what there is to eat around your future home. Alrighty, so now what I think would be a lot of people's favorite is food. So let's see what we got around the house. So right here in blue is where you would be located. So it looks like you got a fast food spot right here. You have a burger spot 5 minutes from the house. Right down this street is gonna be Preston Road, which is one of the main streets in Frisco. And you're gonna have pretty much every single food spot you can imagine. Chick-fil-A, Dairy Queen, Sonic, Taco Bell. If you go down right over here is where the mall is located, the Stonebriar Mall. So you have unlimited amount of food spots, and that is about, let's see, this is where the mall is located, 13 minutes away. So if you wanna be close to shopping, food spots, just so you and the family can go out on the weekends and have something to do in Frisco, this home is gonna be located perfect for that. Alrighty, so now we're gonna look at things to do around the house. Now, since you're located in Frisco, there's gonna be a ton of family-friendly stuff that you can do. This city is not a well-known nightlife area. This is more ideal for a family, but don't get me wrong, there's still cool spots to go to for that, but it's gonna be more situated around family-friendly stuff. So the first one you got is the National Video Game Museum. This is a great one to check out. You have the Sculpture Garden in Texas, so it's just gonna be an area where they have really cool gardens where you can go take pictures at. There's Hope Park, which is a cool little park for the family and the kiddos to run around in, and that's only 10 minutes away. You have the Museum of the American Railroad, so that one is about 15 minutes away, and then you have, so you can see a lot of museums. And probably the major thing, like I said earlier on, is going to be the Stonebriar Mall. So you're going to have a ton of stuff to do here. There's an indoor skydiving place. There's a place called Kidzania, which is like a kid amusement park inside the mall. Of course, you have the mall, so you got the movie theater, all the shops, a ton of stuff to do around the area. So you're also going to be close by to the Ford Center. So unlimited things to do around this house, ideal location in a really good area of Frisco. Now let's check how far away you'd be from downtown Dallas. From downtown Dallas, you're going to be located about a 35-minute drive, which is not bad at all. If you're commuting, it looks like you're just going to almost pretty much take a straight shot down to Dallas, which is pretty good. And let's go ahead and see the Dallas airport. You're going to be located 28 minutes from the Dallas airport, so I give that 10 out of 10. Very well located nearby to pretty much every spot you need to be. You have everything around you. You don't have to do far drives into Frisco. You don't have to do a lot of driving to get to your grocery stores, gyms, or fun places to be in. And you're also gonna be in one of the more well-known neighborhoods in Frisco called the Grove. So that alone is gonna boost up the home and the equity and the quality of living. So I hope you guys like that video. I want to give a huge shout out to Shannon. Her info is going to be right here and in the link in the description. She was the agent of this beautiful home. So a huge shout out to her and the homeowners for letting me swing by, film their beautiful home. And if you're interested in taking a tour, make sure you schedule a call with me. Click the link in the description, schedule a call with me so we can get you out there, take a tour of the property, tour around Frisco, and I will show you why this should be your future home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.